Hi students, welcome back to MAPS e-learning class. In this video, we shall discuss whether the given pair of linear equation in two variable is consistent or inconsistent. What is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variable? The general form of linear equation in two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, what do you mean by consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equation in two variable? A pair of linear equation in two variable which has solution is called consistent pair of linear equation. That means intersecting and coincident pair of linear equations are consistent. A pair of linear equations which has no solution is called inconsistent pair of linear equation, which means parallel lines are inconsistent pair of linear equation. Now is on comparing ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find whether the following pair of equations, pair of linear equations, consistent or inconsistent. The question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find whether the following pair of linear equations consistent or inconsistent. What do you mean by consistent? Consistent means if a pair of linear equation has solution, then it is consistent. What do you mean by inconsistent? Inconsistent means if a pair of linear equations has no solution, then it is inconsistent. Then what about intersecting, coincident and parallel lines solution? If it is intersecting and coincident, we have studied that it has solution. If it is parallel, then it has no solution. Therefore, whether it is consistent or inconsistent, whether if you want to know consistent or inconsistent, we have to prove that it is intersecting, coincident or parallel. Then what are the different conditions on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 to be a pair of linear equations intersecting, coincident and parallel? The conditions. First condition, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it is intersecting. If second condition, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, so it is coincident. Third one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it is parallel. Now by comparing the pair of ratios, we can prove whether the given equation is consistent or inconsistent. Suppose we have equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. First of all, we have to check whether the given equations are in general form or not. The general form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If it is not in a general form, we have to convert this one into general form. So this equations become 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 for x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have to find what is a1. What is a1? a1 is 2. b1. b1 is negative 3. c1 is negative 8. Then what is a2? 4. b2 negative 6. c2 negative 9. Now we can find the ratio a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? Negative 3 by negative 6. What is negative 3 by negative 6? Again 1 by 2. Then what is c1 by c2? c1 by c2 is negative 8 by negative 9. This can be written as 8 by 9. Now we compare a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to again 1 by 2. So both are equal. And then what about c1 by c2? It is 8 by 9, so it is not equal. So according to the condition, the given lines are, pair of linear equations are parallel. Lines are parallel. Therefore, it has no solution. There's no solution. Therefore, we can conclude that if it has no solutions, we can conclude that it is inconsistent pair of linear equation. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.